Some people would say my practice is interdisciplinary. I've had a writer describe my work as non-disciplinary. I think that it kind of sums up the fact that I'll go with one thing for a while and try something else. My name is Jordan Bennett. I'm a Mi'kmaq from Ktaqamkuk, which is now known as Newfoundland. I went to do my master's at UBC Okanagan with the thoughts that I would do all this like advanced technological installations. And I got a chance to spend a lot of time with Daphne Ojig, who is an amazing artist. She passed away a couple years ago. I met her on her 95th birthday. She was doing 2 drawings a day with pencil crayon. And I said, if she can do these 2 a day, I could do 1 a week. And then I started working with a lot of these designs, and I started exploring Mi'kmaq and Beothuk and visual culture. Spending a lot of time with a lot of our cultural objects, like our porcupine quill designs that are in museums and archives. And I started to really incorporate both and think about that shared history. And then it was during my master's defense that I was asked what European painters inspired me. And I kind of started thinking, I was like, first off, I didn't really have too many European influences because I was working with Daphne Ojig. But also at that moment I stopped and I was like, oh, I didn't even realize I was painting. Because what I was doing, I was just trying to tell these stories. And I could have told a story in a different way. I could have told a story through video if I wanted to. It would look completely different, but it could be the same story. That's kind of the goal of it, is to activate a story. I guess inspiration comes from all different places from my work. When I'm choosing colors, I look at old porcupine quill work. It's a color theory that was developed hundreds of years ago. You know, even just the hues of water. Everything comes from nature. And we're so disconnected sometimes from nature. So what I'm trying to do is tell these stories about a place and a time and how I see the world and how I want to interact with the world and how I want people to interact with what I do.